Audio file format is a format that is made for storing digital audio on a computer system. You can either compress it or uncompress it to make it bigger or smaller. There are different types of formats. The most common ones are WAV files and the MPEG layer 3 files. The type of file is determined by the file extension, for example, .wav or .mp3, etc. This audio is compressed and stored by something called codec. This tells you the size of the format. There are different types of audio formats.
Some examples of audio formats are AAC, MP3, also called as MPEG-1 layer 3, OGG Vorbis, WAV, or WMP.
Can you tell us about how to create a podcast?
Yes. So first of all, you have to get a microphone in order to use the podcast in here. Then get an audio software such as GarageBand. Then after you have to create your podcast content. This is like what you're gonna put in the podcast. Then with the microphone, you have to record your podcast. Although some computers have their microphone in it. Then you have to upload the podcast file into an online host. This means to upload it like into the internet. Then you get that URL, which is the link of the podcast. You create a new blog and you post it in the blog, and that's how you make a podcast.
To shoot a video, here are some easy steps you need to follow. First, you need to grab all the equipment you need. Then, if you want to, you can write a script. Then, you give everyone their jobs. You need to be prepared to reshoot a few scenes. Then you click the record button on the camera and get your actors acting. You review your videos right after to see how you've done, and the last step is to import your videos in your computer to start editing.